Morning, I am Jessie Pius from Rovini College of Engineering and Technology. Today I am going to take fenestration from the subject code PH8201 Physics for Civil Engineering. So after completion of this, the students will be able to recall the thermal performance of buildings. So, what is fenestration? Any opening in a building's envelope, including windows, doors, curtain walls, and skylights, designed to permit the passage of air, light, vehicles, or people. Fenestrations transmit solar radiation into the building. What are the systems? Here there are various fenestration systems like glazing, windows, curtain walls, sloped glazing, exterior doors. So here you can see glazing. So glass which serves the purpose of allowing the natural light into a building has been in use. This has led to glazing of majority of the new windows and curtain walls for commercial building constructions. Next one is windows. We use wooden frame with some metal windows in institutional construction. Later, steel windows and aluminum windows were introduced. So, metal windows are used for institutional construction purpose. So, you can see the purpose of window. The picture is then curtain walls. A curtain wall is an exterior wall that is attached to the building structure, as you can see here. Next one is sloped glazing. Skylights have been used to provide the interior delighting. Then exterior doors. These include entrance and exit doors as well as industrial loading dock doors. Fundamental modes of heat transfer. So the heat can be transmitted by conduction, convection and radiation. What is conduction? Conduction is a process of transmission of heat from one point to another through substance without the actual motion of the particles. Without the actual motion of the particles. Conduction always requires some material media. The material media may be solid, liquid or gas. Next one is convection. So the transfer of heat energy between an object and its environment due to the fluid motion is called as convection. Then radiation. The transfer of heat energy by the means of electromagnetic radiation without any original contact between the bodies is called as radiation. So there is no original contact between the bodies. Such a transmission is named as radiation. Heat transfer through fenestration. So heat flows through fenestration by conductive and convective heat transfer caused by the temperature difference between outdoor and indoor air. Net long wave radioactive exchange between the fenestration and its surrounding and between glazing layers. Then short wave solar radiation incident on the fenestration product either directly from the sun or reflected from ground or adjacent objects. Part of the incident solar energy is transmitted and evenly absorbed by the room surfaces. Part of the incident solar energy is absorbed by the fenestration and re-radiated as thermal energy towards inside. The total heat transfer. The heat gained through fenestration consists of two main components. That is, Q thermal is given by the heat transfer between the indoor and the outdoor air. This is a positive or negative depending on temperature. Q solar is the heat transfer from solar radiation. It is always a positive number. So Q total is the summation of Q thermal and Q solar. That's the total heat transfer. Thank you.